Good morning, Primary 3. How are you today? Now we talk about elapsed time. Firstly, what's the meaning of elapsed time? To know the meaning of elapsed time, let's go. When we do any work, we have two times, the start time and the end time. The time between start and the end time is called elapsed time. So the elapsed time tells us how much time has passed between two given times. For example, write the elapsed time. Number A. Start time at 4 a.m. and the end time at 7:30 a.m. The elapsed time is the time between start and the end time, from 4 to 7:30. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 hours and half. Yes, so the elapsed time equal 3 hours and 30 minutes. B. Start time at 5:30 p.m. but the end time 9:30 p.m. So count after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we count 4 hours only. So the elapsed time equal 4 hours. Write the elapsed time when the start time 7:24 and the end time equal 9 hours and 30 minutes. Firstly, we must make subtraction. So we must start with the end time 9 and 30 minutes, then 7 and 25 minutes. To make subtraction, we must start from right. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 doesn't come because 0 is smaller than 5. What can I do? Borrow from 3. So 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 equal 5 and 2 minus 2 equal 0. And the last 9 minus 7 equal 2. So the elapsed time 2 hours and 5 minutes. Again, the elapsed time equal 2 hours and 5 minutes. Let's watch the video.
Elapsed time is the amount of time from the start to the end of an event, or how long something takes. Today we're going to learn how to calculate or find out elapsed time. For us to know elapsed time, or how long something takes, we need to know the start time and the finish time. Let's use this as an example. Let's say we have a task, and we start it at 8 o'clock, and then we finish it at 11 o'clock. How do we calculate, or how do we find out the elapsed time? Remember we said time was similar to a number line, so we can put the start time and the finish time on the number line, so the 8 here and the 11, and we can count 1, 2, 3. So the elapsed time is 3 hours. But what does that look like on an actual clock? Well, we pretty much do the same thing. First we put the start time and then the finish time, and then we can count 1, 2, 3. 3 hours again. Let's try another one. This one's a little bit more tricky. Let's say this time the start time is 10 o'clock and it goes all the way to 4 o'clock. So first we go to our start time and we count up, and we always count clockwise. So Even when we get to the 12, we keep going in the same direction. So now we count on from 10 until we get to our finish time, which is 4. So counting on from 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, to find the elapsed time, we see how many jumps we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the elapsed time between 10 and 4 is 6 hours. And there we have it. That's how you find elapsed time. So, in summary, find the start time, find the finish time, count on from start time, and count how many jumps you did. See you back on Seesaw for the activity.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.